Welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. This is a long overdue review of some Aly Hair Wigs that I just absolutely love. Now, I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I did a review on an Aly Hair Wig a year or two ago. An amazing gal named Kat owned Aly Hair and a salon in Canada. I found out in the fall of last year that she suddenly passed away. I was going to do some educational things with Kat to promote her hair. It was just fabulous, high quality hair. She was very particular about the hair that she was putting out there into the world. It was just really shocking to hear that she was all of a sudden gone. Anyway, she was working alongside a manufacturer, and they had kind of just teamed up to create just phenomenal hair. And through that, I was able to go ahead and try out some of these hair toppers, and I am talking about those today. Aly Hair does have wigs and toppers, and they do have a variety of cap constructions, but the ones I'm showing are really luxurious. They're almost fully hand-tied with the exception of some slight wefting down at the nape. They have a lace front that transitions into a silk top, and then the rest of the cap is individually hand-tied. The hair quality is like some of the best I've ever tried, and I have tried a lot of hair. Now, that being said, I mean, there is a lot of really good quality, great wigs and hair out there, but this is good stuff. For instance, I can go four-wheeling in it. I can wear it for like a week and it doesn't tangle and it feels fantastic. It's just really high quality. Enough that if you wanted to order the hair, you could go and get it colored professionally, because it's just not highly processed hair. It's just really, really nice hair. Just to reiterate that over and over again, it's just really nice hair. This is a beautiful wig that I have been wearing for a little while now. I've washed it and I just freshly waved it yesterday. I'm going to show you this here blonde wig along with a few other ones that I also washed and curled. Now, some of these wigs do come more straight, some have more of a wavy texture, so when you wash them and you air dry them, they're gonna have slight texture to them. But even with that slight wave, it's very soft, very just buttery hair that you wanna run your fingers through, that reacts to the heat tools, curls, whatever you wanna do with it really, really well, and just holds up really well as well. All the hair is premium European quality human hair. You have your temple to temple Swiss lace. I did trim this lace, so your wigs do come with a section of lace intact, and then you trim that off. You have your multi-directional, natural looking silk top. So this lace front transitions into that silk top. So you do have a bit of a transition, as you can see. Here's your lace, and then here's your silk top. They do a great job with the silk top, but when you have a lace front silk top, there is a bit of a transition. You can use makeup, concealer, different things like that to help further camouflage that transition. It just looks really good to me. I don't feel like you sit there and look at that transition. I feel like the part looks great. I mean, if you look at it with a microscope, you're gonna see a little bit of a transition right there. But the construction, the cap construction, the medical grade quality of these here Aly Hair Wigs are fantastic. They also are more of like a ready to wear type wig, aside from the lace that needs to be trimmed. And what I mean by that is you don't need adhesives. A lot of the time when you have a lace front, you're going to deal with floppy lace around the ear tabs. These ear tabs sit nice and flush against the head. They're nice and tight. So the whole tautness, the circumference of the wig stays nice and secure all the way around. You have no floppy lace areas. It just is nice and snug, fits very well and secure. Okay, so I'm gonna take this here wig off and show you guys the underside of the cap. Now this gorgeous blonde is 22/9. You have a gorgeous root and a blend of beautiful blonde. They do a fantastic job with their colors. They have a range of colors available and you can pick from that. But yeah, the rooting looks really well. It feathers nicely into the rest of that blonde color. And just look at that hair. It is so beautiful. What I love about this medical grade cap is you have these silicone ear tabs. They're nice and flat and thin. And then I believe that this here tab right here is so you can stick your glasses in there. So it's comfortable for those who wear glasses. You have this underside of the silk top with this soft jersey material, which is great for comfort. And then you also have that grippy silicone up at the front, right behind that Swiss lace. Now this area right here is individually hand tied. You have those individual hairs, which makes the movement and the look of your wig just look more natural. And then what you have is some closed wefting down by the nape. You have your adjusters at the nape so you can loosen and tighten this wig, make it fit your head more true to size. Now they do have different sizes of wigs. This one right here is a medium, but they do have smalls and larges, and they do have toppers and other cap constructions as well. Here's a closer look of that top with that lace front and silk. You have a pretty good size area for that multi-directional parting. And like I said, you have this grippy material. It's just very well made, very durable, soft and comfortable for those dealing with you know, hair loss because of medical reasons, chemo or whatnot. So this feels really great against the head. And also, like I mentioned, it stays nice and secure. The color, the hair quality is just so great. And the hair quality on the toppers are also just equally amazing. Oh, I forgot to mention that this here wig is 16 inches. You do have some layering, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to talk about this beautiful brunette. Look at that. Look at this color. It is so beautiful. You have this gorgeous shade of brown with some highlights in there, some blonde. The dimension is lovely. It's just so beautiful. You have this amazing quality European human hair, and it has the exact same construction. You have your Swiss lace front, you have your grippy silicone areas on here, and you also have that soft jersey material underneath the silk top. You also have that individually hand-tied area on this cap for a very natural look, and then you have some closed wefting at the nape. You have your adjusters at the nape, and you have these little loops that are great for those who wear glasses. Here's a close-up of that silk top, how natural it looks. Now the color on this here brown wig is 6, 12, 14, and this is 14 inches and a medium size cap. Now Aly Hair does have, you know, various listings on their website, so I will have a link down below so you can check out what they have available. And if there is something specific you're looking for, definitely email Kathy at Aly Wigs. I will have that email down below, and you can reach out to them with questions on Instagram as well. I'm going to put this on and show you guys how beautiful it is. Let me do a turnaround. Just such beautiful hair. So beautiful. You have that temple to temple lace front, and then you have that silk top. You have a little bit of a transition, like I mentioned, with the other wig. And then you have your nice, tight, secure ear tabs. It just feels snug. but it fits me really well. This medium fits me really well from front to nape, from ear to ear. It feels very, very secure. Now, my head circumference is 21.5. I wear average in the majority of wig brands. So if you have an average head, you should be able to get away with a medium cap. They do have like small/medium. I believe they probably have medium/large. This is true medium, and it feels very secure, but it feels good. So just to give you an idea, if you wear a bigger cap size, you might need to get a large. Now here's a closer look of this beautiful color, and the hair feels great. It washed really well, dried beautifully, and then like yesterday I smoothed it and added this slight wave, and it just looks phenomenal to me. Okay, lastly, I'm going to talk about this here blondie. It's another one, but it is a different color and a different length. This is 12 inches. It's quite layered. This has a natural wave to it, but I did smooth and add my own waves to it last night. This cap construction is medium, and like I mentioned, 6'10". It has that beautiful root and this just lovely kind of creamy blonde color. Here's the root and that silk top. Same cap construction. You have your Swiss lace front with your silk top, the soft jersey material, and you also have those silicone ear tabs, the adjusters at the nape. You have that hand tied area for a very natural look. If you want to pull it up, if you want to do, different hairstyles, having more of a hand tied cap can really assist with just it looking more natural. You can definitely see the layers on this beauty. Very pretty. When it came, it had the natural wave. It was just absolutely gorgeous. I have some different reels and photos on my Instagram if you want to check that out. But I mean, this is after a lot of wear, a wash, and a style, and the human hair just looks great. I love the layering on this. I didn't know if I would, but I actually really do. Layering is quite popular, kind of that choppy look, not really a wolf cut, but this does have, some nice layering. So cute. I have one that really needs a wash, has more of a straight texture. I could throw it on, but it is not fresh. It's been worn and worn and worn and hardly brushed, and look, it has like no tangles. This is a really pretty color. It's 22.9, and this is a medium size cap, 14 inches. Definitely check out Aly Hair. Like I said, those links will be down below. I will have the link to their website so you can see what they have available, and I will have contact information so you can reach out if you have questions, if there's something specific you're looking for. Also, I actually do have some toppers and some wigs by Aly Hair available on my Frugally Fabricate Your Fringe Instagram page. That is where I post, gently used items. The ones that I have on there, they are new, and what's there is all that I have. If there's anything that is not on my Instagram page, then definitely look on the Aly Hair website, reach out to them for anything specific, like I mentioned, and just check them out. Really, really fantastic hair. I've been very pleased. I was really happy with the hair that I tried back when I was conversing and working along with Kat. Again, still equally wonderful, amazing, high quality hair, and just very impressed and happy with this product, and I wanted to share that with you guys today. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to hear your thoughts on these beautiful Aly Hair wigs. Definitely check out my Frugally Fabricate Your Fringe Instagram page if you want to see these wigs and what I have them up for. But otherwise, follow the link down below to check out Aly Hair's website, and or reach out to Kathy for any specifics you're looking for. Let me know your thoughts. What wig do you like the most? The first longer blonde or the brunette with the highlights? Let me know, comment below, you know the drill. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.